Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Signing with Omar. Today's video is going to focus on numbers 1 through 20. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's start with the number 1. You simply take your dominant hand and you extend out the index finger while the other fingers are curled up in like a fist. Now the palm is facing me, the signer, if you notice, and you see the back of my hand. So this is how you sign 1. Now let me show you what it looks like from the opposite side. So this is 1. 2. Now for 2, I simply just extended out my middle finger. 3. Now what's important with 3 is that the thumb is able to be seen by the audience. Sometimes when people are signing, especially quick, they might have it on a tilt. Now if you notice, you don't really see that thumb very well, so you might mistake that for a 2. So make sure when you're signing that the thumb is very well visualized so that the viewer can see that this is a 3. So this is how you sign 3. For 4, simply now extend out pinky, ring finger, middle finger, and the index finger. That's a 4. For 5, now I went on and I extended out my thumb. And notice that you have to be able to see the thumb. If you angled it wrong, they might think it's a 4. So this is 5. Now for the numbers 6 through 10, my palm orientation now faces the viewer. Now for the number 6, I simply bring my thumb and my little pinky together, and I will tap gently twice. 6. For 7, I bring my thumb and my ring finger together and tap gently twice. For the 8, I will bring my middle finger and my thumb together and gently tap twice. For 9, bring the index finger and the thumb together and tap twice gently. Now I'm going to do those numbers again before I head on from 11 to 20. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now for the numbers 10, simply make a fist with your thumb extended towards the ceiling, and you shake that in front of the viewer twice. Just a little. That is how you sign 10. Now for the numbers 11 through 20. For 11, you simply extend out that index finger, but you're going to flick it twice. Now notice for 11, my palm is facing me, the signer, and you see as a viewer, you see the back of my hand. So 11, you flick it twice, so just so you can see it from the opposite direction. So 11, 12, what I did was I flicked the middle finger along with the index finger. Now for 13, what I did was I brought my middle finger and my index finger together, extended out my thumb, and what I do now is bring these 2 fingers down. Did you notice? 13. For 14, what I do is I bring my fingers together, but I bring my thumb inward so you cannot see it. So for 14, I will bring the 4 fingers down twice. For 15, I will extend out my thumb, and now I will bring my 4 fingers down twice. 15. Now for 16, simply make a fist like this, and you will rotate and bring the thumb and the little pinky together. So let me show you what that looks like in real time. That is 16. For 17, I make a fist, and then I will rotate to form a 7 facing the viewer. Now let me show you that again. 17. For 18, what I'll do is I'll make a fist. Remember, the palm is facing me, and I will rotate and form an 8. Let me do that again. 18. For 19, make a fist, palm faces me. Then I will turn it and form a 9, which is the index finger and the thumb touch together. 19. And for 20, simply bring the thumb, the index finger together twice, while the other fingers touch against the palm of the hand. So that's 20. Now let me do 16 through 20 one more time. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Are you ready to try them all at once? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Do you want to try them a little bit faster? Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Were you able to keep up? If you like this video, please hit the like button, then subscribe, and last but not least, hit that notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.